Okay. Right now we are discussing on drones, like drone firmware, drone types, maybe, and some open other open. Yeah. Okay. So I'm planning to use this firmware. You guys also can try this out if you want. Like I try to get find new software, firmware, hardware, and all those things in drone and all those things. So you have any doubt? Anything you wanna ask me regarding drones, autonomous flight, or whatever?
Means how to use the software? Means I don't know how to use this and all.
That's what start
Yeah,
from basics.
yeah. Start from basic. Like
I
first you
think first of all,
like
just tell them how many parts are there.
yeah.
Start from there.
Oh,
That's the best
like
part. From
completely
scratch.
completely from scratch.
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, we go over like what components we need. And first is motors. You need to choose like what motors you want to use. There are basically two types of motors. Wait.
So,
Wow, nice.
you type.
Motors. BLDC and brushed. Spelling also messed up, but okay. Okay, there are basically two types of motors. BLDC and brush motors. Brushed are like those mostly most of the guys have seen the brush motors. The brush motor only have two terminals. Okay, and wherever you put the battery, the direction will change. Like if negative and positive are there, like one direction, you swap it, the direction change. Simple concept. But for BLDC, you need a thing called ESC, Electronic Speed Controller. So if I can show you guys here in this diagram, this is a diagram of BLDC motors. So BLDC motor mostly works on AC, like hard to explain without drawing.
One time.
No, leave it.
I have with
A little too advanced, right? I need to go into the motor theory and all those things. ठीक है दे दिए ऊपर होगा देख मेरे बैग में
So just plain I will just
There's some अरे वो दे दो ऊपर बैग मेरा बैग इसमें है अरे इसका तो वो भूल गया था ओके
मेरा मेरा मेरो Is it visible?
Okay, back to basics. Okay, it's working. Guys, is the this whiteboard is visible?
Yes.
So yeah, basically there are uh, wait.
मिटा Okay. Go.
So they are basically brushed.
Nice spell.
My handwriting is messed up. Don't worry. Okay, and I'll leave it. BLDC. Okay, so in DC there are only two terminals, positive and negative, and you swap these, and the direction goes like change this way or this way. DC motors are simple, and in this also these are mostly called coreless motors, but at then they are DC brush motor only. Okay,
So they have only two words as you can see. Okay. One and two words simple.
then we have BLDC. So in BLDC we have like a coil in the middle and a surrounding one with the magnets. It's hard to write in sitting. This thing will have magnets, north, south, north, south. Okay, and this thing will have three poles. Like if you guys have seen the BLDC motors, they mostly have three poles. Okay, so how this thing works is whenever you energize these two coils, okay, this thing will move like this. Like it will pull this thing, it will pull this thing like this. Okay, now it's pulling in one direction. Now you switch from this to this and this, and again it will go like this. Then you switch from this to this, again it switch like this. So that's how BLDC motors works, like at the basics, like absolute basics. That's how it works. I can't go deeper than this right now. So there are three coils which will like what do you call it, like get induce,
Induction.
not induction, but like electrically charge, like one, two, three. So this it just keep on following the patterns. Six, seven, and just rotate. And how fast these things change, the RPM depends on that thing. Okay, so that's one part. Okay, can we switch this? Leave it. Okay. Then the other component is if you are going for BLDC, there's a thing called like just ESC, or if you're going for brushed, we use mostly any MOSFET will work. MOSFET. Hopefully the spelling is correct. Okay. In brush motors for drones, we use MOSFET, and for BLDC, we use ESC. As I told, ESC is nothing but a controller with three phase A, B, and C, which goes to motors, battery terminals, and one wire for signal and ground. Okay, and this thing gets controlled through PWM. And what this thing is doing at the end of the day is just switching like this. Keep on just fast switching, ABC, and like that only. That's the one more part of this thing. I'm not going into too deep into these things.
I just say this seems like simple things. But okay.
I'm just scratching the surface. If you have any doubt, just tell me. Okay. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm just doing this. Okay.
I think someone is waiting. Let me.
That thing is something else. Read.ai.
Oh, okay. Right.
Then motor and all those left apart. Now we have our main MCU. Okay. In MCU, you can use whatever you like. Whether you like ESP, STM, or pico. You can use all these things to use as a MCU. And in MCU, now you need some sensor. Like if you buy a off-the-shelf flight controller or something like that, these sensor will be included in that thing. But if you make your own DIY thing, you need to buy these things separately. Like first you buy a board, then you need the most important sensor, the IMU, inertial measurement unit. The most basic one is MPU 6050, which is I to C base, and then we have MPU 6500, which is SPI. Do you guys know difference between I to C and SPI communication? Hmm. No reply.
No, I think it's getting too much.
Yeah. Let's just say we have a sensor called IMU, which basically gives us our drone's position in 3D space. Okay. Like if this is your drone,
X, Y, Z, simple.
yeah, like this thing, X, Y, Z. We call it a roll, pitch, and yaw.
It's yarn.
Huh?
Yarn, right? Yarn
Yeah.
Yeah,
pitch.
yeah, yeah. Giving you the angle of your drone at that instant. Okay, and using this data, our drone gets stabilized. So with these things only, you can make a basic drone, and also you need like a remote control or something like that. Up to you. You wanna control it over Wi-Fi, or you wanna dedicate it like some transmitter receiver. So transmitter and receiver. It's up to you. You wanna use it or use
Yes.
Wi-Fi. It's totally up to you. So when you have all these things, oh, you can think of making a drone. Okay. So like if you, I think I showed you that thing. Go like this. Right. Nope, nope. Back, back, back. Okay. Can I copy this image?
Yes, yes. Not really sure if you can paste this. Oh, nice. Okay.
Just zoom in. Okay, you can see the image. So in this zone also, you can see we have our shit. Can I log? Wait. Yeah, we have our MCU.
I
Okay.
can change the color.
Yeah,
Red. Red may work. Yeah.
we have our MCU, which is in this case is ESP32 S3. Okay, we have our battery connector, some circuitries there. Also, I don't know.
These are the MOSFETs.
Yeah, this is the MOSFET. As I already told, this drone is using a brushed motor. So they are using MOSFET in this case.
And MOSFET is generally used for
Yeah.
amplifying the voltages. Like if we have a single microcontroller that is just powering the circuit, it's like 2 less 3.3 volt and no amps, right?
Nah. MOSFET is for controlling the voltage.
Amps also this
Like anything.
power and then power.
Power.
Okay, so yeah, we have to amplify the power. For that, we use MOSFET, and we can power the motors by that.
So at the end of this, what is this thing doing? Like there's something like this. So for example, I will take this X, this Y, and up and down. I will take as Z. Okay. So what happens when we fly this drone?
I don't know. This doesn't have a barometer or something for
Yeah,
Z axis.
barometer is much for altitude.
It doesn't have also.
So at the core, what drone is doing, what AM is doing. So this motor spinning in this direction. This is this. And this. I have one question for you guys. Why do you think I'm like I have drawn in this case like this motor should go like this and this motor should go
Opposite
in
directions.
yeah
To cancel the torque, right? Otherwise,
yeah
Otherwise, what will happen?
it will spin, right? They won't stop, and we can't control them.
yeah correct.
Correct, correct.
So the main advantage of a quadcopter over any of the other designs available there is this thing, the four motor design. So in helicopters, if helicopters spin in this direction, the whole helicopter will go in this direction. So to counteract this, they have added a tail rotor to counteract this torque. Okay, but that's also the biggest, like the weakest point of a helicopter. Like there's one more way to like remove this, but that's also a challenging part. Have you seen? I'll show you one thing that might be interesting. KA52 alligator.
I was thinking of that.
Okay, I'll show this. So have you guys ever seen this helicopter? This thing
Yeah,
doesn't have a tail rotor.
Yes, yes, I have seen that.
Yeah, this thing doesn't have a
We
tail
have
rotor.
one more
Why?
actually. Two blades like this. I forgot the name.
there are two
Osprey.
propellers, right?
Yes, sir.
One is moving clockwise, another is anti-clock.
And
Yeah,
yeah,
correct. So this is one more way of removing the tail rotor. But this thing also have its own flaw and those things. Like
Expensive.
yeah, and then it's
First of all, expensive.
yeah, like it's mechanically complex. That's the biggest drawback of these things.
Yeah.
And like Akhilesh was saying, Osprey also has this issue technically.
But it have a different design approach to solve that. I don't remember the name.
Osprey,
Osprey.
no, this
Not
thing,
this one.
helicopter. Yeah, this thing.
Yeah.
But this is a classic example of a VTOL.
Yeah.
It can take off vertically and then it switches to this thing, a plane mode. But at then this thing also has two helicopter style blades, like where you can
So it's kind of a drone only with two blades.
yeah with two helicopters attached on the
Yeah,
wings.
two helicopters also.
Yeah, yeah, this thing is there. But how a quadcopter is different from all these things is there's nothing to be mechanically fail other than the motors. There's no failing point mechanically. Like a helicopter is a mechanically complex things, not electronically complex thing.
This is
But a
electronic.
but a drone is a electronically complex, not mechanically complex. So that's the biggest advantage of a drone over a traditional helicopter or any mechanical system. Hopefully, this side what do you call it? Side knowledge, it's helpful in some way. Okay, we go on to into military things. Okay, so yeah, these are direction of a quadcopter, and these are like this to counteract the torque of these things. Okay, again, we are counteracting the torque here. Okay, on a drone. One more question: how do you think we control the yaw of the drone? Like if you want to control a drone from like this to this.
yeah, we'll decrease the speed, right? If you wanted
Yeah.
to go in one direction, like suppose we can say,
यो एंगल टाइप है ना.
if you wanted to move in forward direction, we will be decreasing the propeller speed of forward blades.
This right yaw pitch and
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, correct pitch.
that will be easier for us.
Yeah. So this is roll. Okay. This one is
This is very bad.
yeah. Leave it. And
Just
this
tell
is
here now.
leave it. I'm not artist. This is yaw. So how will you control these things? These three. What do you call it?
Yeah, pitch I've told you that means if you wanted to go forward, we can.
Forward. Pitch is forward. Roll is side to side.
Yes, correct. Same goes. If you wanted to come down, you should be decreasing the propeller speed slowly,
Yeah.
so that the force will become less and it will come down.
Yeah. And if I want to go forward,
Forward, same. If you wanted to go forward, you will be increasing the speed of the back thing, so you will be going forward.
yeah. And same for side to side. What about
Yes.
yaw?
Yo means rolling or what?
Yeah, at that place it will rotate like this.
Just yeah, if you wanted to go in suppose left,
Hmm.
then you should decrease the left and increase the right so that it will turn.
No, no. Which motors should I like? I'll just name them.
Okay.
One, two, three, and four. And
Okay.
for say I wanna go like this. So which motor should I decrease?
One three.
One, three. Nah, that's wrong.
You are going in okay, 2 4 right? Yes.
Hmm?
2-4 is saying.
No,
Two,
no,
four.
no.
No.
Diagonals we should decrease. Diagonals we should decrease.
Yeah, diagonal we should
Diagonals, yeah,
decrease.
because they are flowing right.
Yeah.
It means 1 4 I should decrease so that I'll be moving in right.
Now we should increase one, four, because see these are in this action they are pushing like this. So when we
So you
decrease,
wanna okay,
we will
understand.
decrease two, three. It will go like this. Okay, and we increase one, four. Sorry, we will increase two, four, two, three. It will go like this.
Clockwise direction. It will, yeah.
Yeah, that's the basic what do you call it? Mechanics of a drone. Okay, I don't know. So that's the basic concept drone. Like at this stage, you have a drone. Next is how you control these things. Like at the end of a drone is just doing a roll, pitch, and yaw. How you control it, it's up to you. Whether you're making a autonomous drone or a manual drone or anything, it will only use these control mechanics. Okay. So if you wanna
But
like make a
for an autonomous drone,
yeah
we have to add some sensors so that it can
yeah
get the feedback and then
like there's one more thing, like if you want to make a sensorless drone, that's also one
yeah.
option. You always don't need a sensors. Like for example, you have a arduino, you put a arduino on this thing. Okay, just like hard code it, like it's the throttle goes up for like no sensor, nothing basic. So throttle goes up for like maybe 50%. Okay, then pitch for example, like mostly in drones, roll, pitch, yaw, all these things are in degree per second. Okay, like how much is there. For example, this is the plane and the tilting drone, for example 30 degree. Okay, that's how you can just hard code like 30-degree pitch for 2 seconds, go like this, then 30-degree pitch forward and like this, and you have like a hard coded sensorless. You can call it your first autonomous flight. It's sensorless but it's autonomous, you're not controlling it. Okay, so you can just play with these things and go from there. If you want something more sensor, then we have a barometer. Barometer basically a altitude sensor, GPS, pretty basic thing. You have the GPS coordinates and all those things, sensors and all those things you can add. Like there's a whole lot of like there are a whole lot of sensors are there. Like I just told you, optical track. What a optical track does is it has a frame. Okay, and there are some patterns are there. Okay, for example these are the patterns, and just see like if the pixels move, it calculates the pixels. Like an optical track has both sensors, an optical track, optical flow, plus a lidar which gives the distance from the ground. So with these both things, it can calculate like how far is above the ground, and how like what is the what do you call this thing? I forgot the name. Like it doesn't, it knows like how far back, left, right it's from the it's origin. Okay, that's one more sensor.
Displacement.
Not displacements technically,
Okay.
because at then it's from origin. It's not this time like from point one to not this. It's put up that
Distance, displacement only, but okay.
distance at the end.
Displacement from origin. Makes sense now.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the basics of drone.
for electronics part and all, there's no whole new chapter, so it'll take
Yeah,
its
it will
own
take
time.
time.
So yeah,
You can't just jump and just okay
I
go.
think okay, yeah.
Any
I think
doubt in this?
it's. I think many doubts.
Uh,
I don't.
when
Okay, what?
GPS can be used. When GPS can be used depends.
GPS can be used with.
Like, what do you want to use GPS for? That's also a question. In most of the all the
मेरे पास ड्रोन है, क्योंकि अभी वो
uh,
मेरे दोस्त के पास है, क्योंकि मैं और मेरे दोस्त ने बनाया था ड्रोन को।
mm-hmm,
उसमें हम लोग ने फ्लाइट कंट्रोलर एंड ईएससी वगैरह यूज किए थे।
mm-hmm,
तो उसमें मतलब कि हम लोग जो रिमोट यूज करते हैं रेडियो मास्टर पॉकेट ईएलआरएस यूज करते हैं,
mm-hmm. And that's a nice choice.
Yeah.
क्योंकि वो मतलब कि कभी कभार जब कुछ पार्ट खराब हो जाए या ईएलआरएस रिसीवर खराब हो जाए, तो इसलिए वो चेंज होने के वो नाम बदल सकते हैं उसमें, ईएलआरएस में ये फायदा होता है। मैंने ये चीज है।
Hmm. Whatever.
लेकिन जीपीएस का ये है कि मेरा कि जीपीएस कब यूज कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा जो रिमोट है वो तो 500 मीटर से ज्यादा जाएगा नहीं। वो
Oh,
ऐड तो कर दिया, लेकिन उसकी पोजीशन वगैरह में क्या क्या
in
इफेक्ट देगा वो।
in your case, the use of GPS is for RTH, return to home, or position hold. They are these two purposes are there for in your case. Okay,
ओके
so like so for example, you are here. Okay, you have flown your drone from this point. Your drone is here. Then you go, let's say, 10 kilometers. Okay. Now your drone is here, but now like you don't feel like you flow your drone back to yourself. So what do you do in this case? In this thing, you should have a setup RTH. RTH stand for return to home. So in your radio master pocket transmitter, you can just assign one switch. Also one more thing, which firmware you're using. Mostly you're using, I think, Beta Flight. Yeah.
वो तो बीटा प्राइस से ही मतलब मोस्टली सेटअप हो जाता है।
Yeah.
मैंने
So
यूज किया है इसको थोड़ा
okay.
बहुत एक्सीलरेटोमीटर, लेकिन मैं एक चीज ये इशू में फंस गया हूँ कि
Mm-hmm.
मुझे फोन से यूज करना पड़ता है बीटा प्राइस। जो स्पीड भी आपने सुना होगा ना,
Uh-huh.
क्योंकि
So
मेरे कंप्यूटर पे बीटा प्राइस जो है वो 10 वाला है, 10.10।
just change the version. Just change the version. You can change it. I will just
वर्जन
show.
कैसे चेंज करूंगा बीटा प्राइस का?
Wait, I will just show you why I'm here. Do you know the firmware which is in your what do you call this?
PC.
Not PC.
Phone.
Flight controller. In your flight controller, which is there?
फ्लाइट कंट्रोल ड्रोन तो मेरे दोस्त के पास है, अभी वो भेजेगा वापस मेरे को।
Okay,
मतलब
I'll
कभी
just
उसके
show
पास
you.
रहता है, कभी मेरे पास रहता है। एक्चुअली मैं क्या है कि उसके साथ मैंने बिल्ड किया था ना उसने
Okay, I'll just
ड्रोन को।
show you how to do it. I don't have the.
वो ब्लूटूथ सपोर्ट करता है। एक्चुअली मैंने नया फ्लाइट कंट्रोल इंस्टॉल किया है, जूस है।
Yeah, I know,
जूस
I
नहीं,
know, I know.
HLGRG कुछ करके नाम से होता है कंपनी का नाम।
Mhm. Yeah, I know what is PDB and all those things. So what you have to do is like I will just show you this tab. Share this
Yeah,
tab.
share the
Okay.
link as well.
Yeah. You can just search Betaflight configurator. Okay. Go to releases, and for example, your drone. I don't know which what do you call this thing version your drone right now is, but you can just go down, go down, go down, and find
मेरा
the
10.10 में ही बोल रहा कि नया वर्जन इंस्टॉल करने के लिए।
Now, it should be there when you plug your drone in. It should show the current version of current firmware version of your drone. Just match that version to the version of the what do you call this, software. You need to match it. Like if your drone is running on 10 point like for say 6 and your configurator is 10.10, it won't work. You need to install beta 5 configurator 10.6. Only then it will work.
ओके
These things are there when you go into these things.
That's why it's like difficult to program and all.
Yeah. So you can see like we have the configure file from here. Just download from here, install, and you are good to go. Okay.
ओके
And if you still have some issue, you can just tag me in the group.
He will not reply.
Maybe.
That I am telling. Okay.
Also, one more thing, you were asking for use of GPS. So in this case, you are at your home, you flown the drone, you are 10 kilometers far.
It's not visible.
Okay, okay. Wait. Okay, now it's visible. Okay, so you're asking the use of GPS in your case. So in your case, the use is you are here at your home, you flown your drone, you're 10 kilometers away. Okay, now you want to go back, come back to your home, and like you're not feeling like you wanna again like do this long journey. Then use RTH. This thing can be configured in the beta flight. Also, it only works if if you have installed the GPS in your drone. Okay, so you just flip one key.
मैं ये भी पूछना चाहूंगा कि आरटीएक्स जो है ये मतलब कि ऑटोमेटिक भी सेटअप हो सकते हैं, मतलब ऑटोमेटिक मतलब सेटअप नहीं बल्कि ऑटोमेटिक एक्टिवेशन कि बाई चांस रिमोट से सिग्नल लॉस हो जाए तो भी
Yeah, that thing is also there. That was my next point. Okay, so one point is this RTH, and this same function can be used when you lost your radio signals. Okay, so when you lost your radio signal, okay, radio signal, or you flip a switch. Don't mind the handwriting. I'm just lazing around and just doing something. Okay.
He just.
Yeah, I'm just completely.
I don't know if you can see him.
Okay, so we have these two options. One is you flip a switch on your radio and it will come back to your home. And next one is if you lost your signals to your radio, it will come back to your home. That's the main purpose of a GPS. Okay. One more thing, keep in mind your GPS has both GPS plus compass. Only then it will work. If you have just GPS, no compass, it might not work. Most cases it won't work. Okay. So that's the basic use of GPS. And for autonomous flights, there are many purposes for autonomous flight. You can decide a path, like you have a GPS, you want to go like your house is here, your friend house is there, your third friend house is there, and you can just make a path like this, and your drone will follow that path. That's one more thing of autonomous drone thing. Okay, that's the basically the purpose
ओके
of a drone. Anything else you want to ask?
नो आई डोंट नो नीड टू आस्क
If you have any issue, you can just tag or DM.
You can call him also. Just disturb him. That's the option. Okay. Any other thing anyone want to discuss on?
So then you got the basic concept of a drone.
Yeah.
Also, there's also a playlist in our channel.
He
You can-
have only designed.
Yeah.
You should see him properly.
Channel name is Yantra. Yantra.
Yeah. Just search Yantra IIT. You'll get it. Or maybe I can just mention the link as well. Wait, I will just share the link. Where it is?
मेरे ख्याल से मेरे पास एक वो भी पड़ा हुआ है क्या कहते हैं आर्डिनो भी पड़ा हुआ था एंड एक्स्ट्रा मोटर भी पड़े हुए हैं 4
Nice.
ब्रशलेस मोटर
Which one?
मैंने 200 केवी वाला जो सिंपल ऑरेंज मोटर टाइप का कुछ जो होते हैं
Those motors.
ब्रशलेस मोटर
Those motors I don't like too much.
वैसे मेरे पास दूसरे ब्रशलेस मोटर ड्रोन में जो है वो 1408 या कुछ समथिंग करके है
3 day
उसका
work.
केवी
Yeah, 3 days.
4850 केवी वाला मोटर है वो
Oh, nice. 14 or what is it? Wait.
मेरा विड्थ जो है वो 14xx करके है एक तरह से मुझे याद नहीं है प्रॉपर
Wait a second. We're doing something here.
No, it's okay.
Okay, now tell.
So I have shared the link for the video and the Yantra channel, so you can just go through once.
Yeah, thank you.
Those sessions were taken by me. Of course. I will just flip this camera so I'm not visible fully. Okay, now wait a second. Okay, what are you saying? Rajshekhar.
Rajshekhar?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. We have one more
तो
Rajshekhar.
The time is 7 p.m.
जो कहते हैं कि वो उसमें तो कि ESC मैंने देखा था कि जब मैंने पहली बार ये बनाने की कोशिश की थी ना, मेरी एक ये मिस्टेक थी ड्रोन में, जीएसटी पिन का बहुत मिस्टेक था।
GST पिन?
हाँ, आपने जीएसटी पिन सुना होगा। टाई कंट्रोलर एंड ईएसटी पे जो कनेक्शन जाता है जीएसटी, मतलब मेरा 4-in-1 था ना उस टाइम पे, अभी भी 4-in-1 ही चल रहा है ड्रोन में।
the, oh, क्या होता है इसको? Flag controller.
हाँ, फ्लाइट कंट्रोलर से ईएससी 4-in-1 है। ईएससी एंड फ्लाइट कंट्रोलर मेरा एक वो है।
That was you stack. Bought a stack. Like,
स्टैक नहीं है, पहले स्टैक की तरह बन गया था, लेकिन कुछ वहां पे रहते रहते कुछ हो गया था, हम लोगों ने नया फ्लाइट कंट्रोलर मंगा लिया था।
okay. Okay, so what are the challenges you faced?
मेन चैलेंज ये था कि अगर जानकारी नहीं रहेगी ना,
Hmm.
ईएससी में 7 जीएसटी एसएस पिन वाला बोलते हैं, ईएससी में था, जो सबसे बड़ा दिक्कत दिया था मेरे को, क्योंकि वो मार्केट में ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन डायरेक्टली अवेलेबल नहीं है, आपको सीधा होलसेल पे जाना पड़ेगा उसके लिए लेने के लिए।
Hmm. GST connectors.
हाँ, जीएसटी कनेक्टर, इसलिए कुछ जीएसटी कनेक्टर अवेलेबल होते नहीं, क्योंकि उसका ज़्यादा यूज होता नहीं है।
I will just tell you the name of those things if you don't know. They are GST SH 1 mm pitch.
हाँ, 1 mm वाला,
Yeah, I know. Don't worry.
7 पिन वाला ही मिलना आसान नहीं है,
Those things are there.
मुझे चांदी
Cut
चौक
the
देना
wires
पड़ा उसके लिए।
cut the wires and solder.
अभी वो कंप्लीट है,
Hmm.
लेकिन वो मेरे दोस्त के पास है, तो मैंने उसको मंगाया वापस, क्योंकि कभी उसके पास रहता, कभी मेरे पास रहता, क्योंकि
Nice,
बता ही
nice.
दिया मैंने पहले।
And what is the size of your drone? Like you told me that your motor size is 14 oh, what was the number? 14 oh?
अब मुझे रोबू से देखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि वो एफपीवी टाइप है थोड़ा सा, लेकिन
Because
तो
the size, because it seems like your drone is like 2 inch or 3 inch from the size of your motors. Is it a small drone?
हाँ, वो स्मॉल ड्रोन है, 3 इंच ड्रोन है।
Ah, yeah, that's one. I thought so. Also now this wording is came. I'll just show you. I'll just explain here also what the number means. Like in BLEC motors, the motor generally have a number like 2212 2200 kV. Okay.
मेरा 14 एक्स करके याद है मुझे, लेकिन उसका
Yeah,
केवी मुझे प्रॉपर याद है,
yeah,
4850 केवी।
yeah. I'm just explaining the number. What does these numbers means? Because now we have this thing.
ये तो टोटल जो स्पीड वगैरह कुछ करके होता है, मुझे एक याद नहीं प्रॉपर। और
Yeah,
ये
I'll
जो
just
2212 जो है, ये एक साइज होता है किसी तरह से,
yep. I'll just show you what does this
फ्रेम
thing mean.
पार्ट के लिए साइज का डिफाइन किया जाता है, क्योंकि फ्रेम में कौन सा साइज लगेगा वो उससे डिटरमाइन करते हैं हम लोग।
No, it doesn't matter on the size. Like depends on the like what type of drone you're trying to make. So this number is the size of your motor, and this number is the RPM of your motor. Okay. So in this case, I have written this number. So in this case, 22. 22 means the motor diameter. Okay, the diameter is 22 mm. Okay, and when you
ओके,
see your drone motor from side, the next number, the 12. Okay, the 12 is the height of your drone in mm. So 12 mm is the height, and kV, as I said before, is the RPM per volt. For example, this in this case, I've taken a motor of 2200, and we are like giving it 10 volts, so it gives around 22 RPMs. Okay, this is the max RPM of the motor.
ओके।
So these are what these number means. But when you tell
मैं जरा अभी निकाल रहा हूँ रोबू से कि
hmm,
मेरा ड्रोन का जो मोटर है उसका साइज क्या है।
yeah, like it's a helpful number if you like if you're trying to make something specific, then this number came in help. Like if you buy a drone which is okay, there are some messages are there.
I think someone want to join.
Okay, someone want to-
Just let-
थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा उसको लोड करने में कुछ रोबो थोड़ा मतलब कि
Yeah,
टाइम
that
लगा
thing, that website is gone case. I don't know what's going on with them.
Robo website is the best website I've ever seen.
मैं रोबो ही मंगाया है कभी वो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाता है कभी इन
Robo
स्टॉक का
is
वेट
like
करना पड़ता
too
है
good in electronics, but very bad in UI.
Yeah,
They
that,
have all the electronics, but very bad UI.
like I can't even find the electronics there. That's how bad this thing is.
Yeah, but they have that fun part.
Yeah. Also, one more thing. Now that we are in the this drone case, I don't really recommend buying these drone parts from Robo.
That's
Because
Which website?
मैंने एक
Robo?
रोबो से प्लाई कंट्रोल मंगाया दो प्लाई कंट्रोल से वो पहले खत्म कहानी बोल रही है जैसे ही वो पूरा सिंबल हुआ ना पुराना वाला प्लाई कंट्रोलर वो पहले खत्म कहानी फोल्डिंग के बाद खत्म हो गया पूरा मैंने
yeah,
यूएसबी
all.
कनेक्शन लेना बंद कर दिया कंप्यूटर से तो आप प्रोग्राम नहीं कर सकते फिर उसको ये था मेरे पास पुराना वाला
I don't know.
तो हम लोगों ने डीआर के स्टोर से फिर मंगाया
Yeah, that's one good store. DRK is good store. Okay. Quad cart is
और
good
मेरे पास
store.
ऐसे कांटेक्ट है ड्रोन वाले से मैंने बहुत एक ग्रुप है आपने द एफपीवी प्रोजेक्ट सुना है
Yeah, yeah. वो दिल्ली में ही है. That's a Delhi based store.
अभी वो तो शिफ्ट कर गए हैं उनके शॉप तो मैंने सुना है
They
लेकिन उनका
might.
अभी नंबर है उनके मैं उनके ग्रुप पे ही ज्वाइन हूँ पहले ग्रुप
Nice, nice. Yeah, that's also a good website. The FPV store. Then there's one more. The Anubis RC is there. That's also a good store. And these things, these websites are good, which I recommend.
मैंने
DRK.
दिल्ली में कौन कौन सा स्टोर जो एफपीवी ड्रोन का होगा बता सकते हैं आप
Delhi. I'm from Delhi, but I don't think there's any like good store which I can recommend. Like, okay, just go there and buy.
क्योंकि मैं एक बार गया था पहले द एफपीवी प्रोजेक्ट का तो दिल्ली में ही था लेकिन वो शिफ्ट कर गया कहीं और
Hmm.
मैंने वो गुरु कुछ
Mm-hmm.
जी नाम से स्टेट याद नहीं आ रहा है लेकिन मेरे पर लोकेशन है
Yeah, it was there
शिफ्ट कर
before.
गया है
Now I think they shipped. I don't think there are any good store now. Most of the FPV stores are in Kerala or Bangalore or somewhere.
What parts in Kerala, right?
Yeah, Kerala. They're in Kerala. I think Chandan was trying to say something. You are trying to say something?
Yeah, you told me to buy this ESP32 drone, right? Starting.
Like
We have not recommend. Like it's like one
Like-
thing you can consider.
like if you are absolute beginner
Yeah.
and just want to play with it, only then.
Yeah, I'm absolute beginner. Means I wanted to construct. Means I wanted to do. That's it.
At least, yeah. You speak first. You're saying something?
I'm a beginner and I wanted to construct a drone.
Yeah. So what I will recommend at least.
Hmm.
So from my side is like get some component and start building. That's the better version. What I can say rather than just buying and just playing with that.
Cost is also one thing.
Cost is one thing. Like it depends. If you're going for a drones and all, it's a bit costly to be fair.
Yeah.
Initially, it's a bit costly.
I'm not saying I'll buy the drone. I'm saying that from where I should buy the components and all.
Components and all,
I've just,
little bit research to be honest. I will not go for spoon feeding to be fair.
In this, like I can just recommend a website at least.
Yeah, website and all we can recommend because
Yeah, website. Please recommend.
So one is Quadcart. Just write the names in the chat. If you're trying to make a full-fledged quadcopter, then you can go for Quadcart. Okay. Then go for Quadcart or DRK store. Anubis RC. One more was there, I think. Forgot the name of the FPV project. Yeah, these are the website I would recommend. And Robo is there.
not a promotion.
Yeah, just helping the.
Just a recommendation, just because there are many fishy website which will just take money and do not deliver anything. So
Yeah.
for that reason, we have just mentioned that.
But from Quadcart, I have bought, and from DRK, Rajshekar has purchased. So yeah, those two are like someone has bought.
And Robo, everyone have bought.
Yeah, Robo is there.
Robo is like the last option.
रोबो में आउट इन स्टॉक होने का पता कब पता नहीं होगा लेकिन डीआर का सोर्स आप कांटेक्ट करके पूछ सकते हो। मैं वो सेंड कर रहा हूँ, ये मैंने ये परचेज किया हुआ है, ये मोटर का
Yeah,
भेजा है
14
मैंने
inch.
चैट पे।
Yeah, that is mostly a
Yeah.
2 inch or 3 inch drone motor.
Nice. So yeah, I think it's too much of drone discussion. Anything else you wanna discuss?
Yeah.
From last half an hour, we are discussing drones only, I guess.
We'll drone tech. We'll
जब
make an
ड्रोन के ऊपर ही टॉपिक चला था तो ड्रोन की भी डिस्कशन हुआ ही है।
It's good. Yeah. Anything else apart from drones and all? Any project ideas you want to work on, or you want some help on that? On any discussion you want? Something also that will also.
मैं एक डिलीवरी रोबोट बनाने का सोच रही हूँ, पर मुझे पता नहीं लग रहा है कि स्टार्ट कैसे करना है ऑन हार्डवेयर, मतलब ऑटोनॉमस रोबोट।
Actually, yeah,
First-
I have asked her to come here.
Oh, Shanvi.
Yeah.
Shanvi Sharma.
Yeah. So first of all, just tell me about your project first, because I am not getting properly ideas. Like, are you planning to go for like end-to-end solution, or is it like a very primitive? What do you can say? Just in home only. You're just trying from location A to location B, something like that.
Like for example, this is your house. Your room is here. Your kitchen is there.
Yeah.
Your bot is there. You want to just go like these, and go to your kitchen,
Or
pick up some food, and just come back. That's
just some lazy
Yeah.
stuff.
yeah. And the other
Yes.
one, you are on the world. This is Google Map.
Yeah.
This is your home. This is your friend home. You're delivering something, and it should like take a pass and deliver here.
So which one you want?
I want that home one, मतलब
Inside
small
the home.
area.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So I think we can tell about this one. Turtle bot. That is
ये
there.
इसमें मेरे को आइडिया है।
Yeah, you can say.
इसमें मतलब कि ये इसमें एक्सट्री सेंस भी यूज हो सकता है। कैमरा से थोड़ा वो प्रोग्राम करवाना पड़ेगा कि ऑब्जेक्ट
घोस्ट का डिजाइन दिलाता। वाह।
एंड रिवर्स लोकेशन, मतलब कि उसके अंदर जो डिस्टेंस वगैरह जो बनाया है उसने कि XYZ जिस डायरेक्शन में चला है उसी रिवर्स पे भी जाए, क्योंकि उसे उससे ही आइडिया मिलेगा उसको फिर कि उसने किस पार्ट पे चला है।
क्या?
We didn't understand.
दिन चीलता तिरते नाक को मोटिवेशन।
मत मेरा कहना है कि जो पास है कि
Mhm.
जिसमें घर के अंदर में पहले वो खाना लेने गया तो वो इसमें उसके अंदर एक पार्ट ट्वीट हुआ है,
Okay.
लेकिन क्योंकि घर में आदमी भी चलते हैं
Mhm.
तो उसके अंदर एक कैमरा या कुछ सेंसर वगैरह भी होंगे जो उसको
मोस्टली लाइक जो कॉमन
कैमरा से
कॉमन
पकड़ेगा।
है वो लाइडार यूज करते हैं हम लोग, सो दैट वी कैन मैप लाइक कोई भी फिजिकल ऑब्जेक्ट अगर हमारे बॉट के नियर बाय आ जाए तो हमें पता चल जाए, सो वी कॉल लाइडार.
And again,
Uh,
depends how advanced you want to make it.
Yeah, the simplest
वो तो
one
फिर
is lidar.
मैपिंग
Yeah,
एक
and going for something
2D मैपिंग करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए, फिर 2D मैपिंग फिर उस पे
There's one,
अपलोड करना पड़ेगा सिस्टम पे,
there's
उस
one
पे
more
कि वो
even
कहाँ पे
simple.
लोकेशन पे है।
Like if you don't want any fancy stuff,
don't say pre-program.
yeah, just hardcode.
एंड
Don't.
वो हार्ड कोड ही हुआ क्योंकि 2D मैपिंग तो हार्ड कोड ही हुआ।
No,
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 2D mapping
no,
like
no.
what he is saying. Just go
I will just
forward for 2 seconds.
I will give
Take a
no,
left.
no, not in that sense.
Okay.
Not that senseless. Like this is your room, house, for example. Okay, you are here. You will start your bot at a specific angle. Okay, and you end it at a specific angle also. Okay, so like
Oh.
you might have a general idea like how your house is, like where a bot should go, like this or this.
Campus kind of thing.
Yeah.
Adding a
Okay.
campus.
So like you can use your wheel odometry, some light, not lidar, I will say TOF or some sensor to know the like some
या तो
somewhat.
IR सेंसर का यूज कर सकते हैं, एक मैपिंग IR सेंसर का मैपिंग।
IR mostly works on like a black line or those kind of things.
Yeah.
हाँ ब्लैक लाइन पे ही वर्क करता है, लेकिन अगर
Yeah,
घर पे
no,
No,
that
this
अलाउड है
is
तो वरना नहीं
that's
करना है।
not autonomous then, no?
it's not autonomous.
Like a train is this running on a path.
Yeah.
Track. That's it.
So you can go with like try this first, like your wheels, like you know the distance from this to this. Just go like when the distance is, for example, this is X. then turn 90 degree.
मुझे
Okay.
इसी से ही मैं थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर नहीं आ रहा था, लेकिन वो क्या है मेरा कि एक्स एंड वाई जो भी बोलते हैं, वो
Mm-hmm.
एक पूरा एक मैपिंग अपने अंदर क्रिएट करेगा.
Mm-hmm. Nah, like if someone doesn't want to go like super expensive or something like that, then I'm saying like go from there, go from here, and step by step.
TOF sensor is very expensive, dude.
Not that TOF, bro.
Oh,
Cheaper one.
okay, got it.
Yeah.
I have a bad image of TOF. Okay.
So I think I'll just again explain what I'm trying to use to map my drone. Okay. So
Don't go for drones.
no, like same thing but different thing. Okay. So what I'm planning to do is have one TOF here, one TOF here, one TOF here, one TOF here. Okay. There are two types of TOF in the market. One is where it just shoots one beam, and one is which shoots beams like in this. Okay. So if you use something like this and write a code, so you can have a map of your room, whatever the place is. It will just generate a map.
And the lidar also works in similar principle. They have a motor which just rotate the single sensor and just create the map. Simple.
What lidar does it? Like this thing is single.
This is just like non-mechanical thing.
Yeah.
That's it.
What lidar does is it has a one sensor, which mostly in one line. That thing I mostly don't like, and it just rotate. So every angle you will get one this.
That's whenever you have seen, it's like some rays only you will get.
Yeah.
The feed, whatever you get from this sensors and all.
So this is the basic thing you can try, and then go from here. Like you wanna add more, you wanna map the room. And also in robotics term, we call this thing slam.
And yeah, in slam only we have one concept like multi robot slam. So right now you're just using one robot which is just doing one task, but we want multiple robot army to just communicate with each other and do certain tasks. So that is also one part of slam, you can say.
So for your this thing, autonomous bot in your home, you can go like if you don't wanna purchase some expensive lidar and all those things, you can start with this, see how it works, what improvement you need, see if you can solve it software wise. If not, try to add some more sensors. All those things you can try. But this is the basics that at the like the simplest thing you can do right now is this thing. If you don't want to invest too much.
एक
Anyone want?
और है मेरे पास आइडिया. ये अगर आपने ईएन का वो आईटी बम्बई का अगर कंपटीशन सुना होगा आपने,
Yantra.
I haven't.
आईटी बम्बई का कंपटीशन सुना होगा ना आपने, ड्रोन वाला
Do
पिछले साल का, उससे आइडिया है
Which one?
आपको. वेयर हाउस ऑफ ड्रोन.
I think वो
Oh.
Yantra था, right?
I think mostly.
I guess Yantra था.
But that thing is common thing. Mostly right.
हाँ.
Yeah. So what is your
वो
idea?
मतलब कि मैपिंग था उसमें पहले करवा रहे थे, लेकिन वो डिटेक्शन जो करता था कि उसको फॉलो करना था, ड्रोन को ऐसे ऐसे मूव करना, तो कैमरा ऊपर से देख रहा है और वो बॉट को देख रहा है या ड्रोन को देख रहा है, ऐसे भी करके जा सकता है कि उसको किचन बोले तो किचन पे जाएगा वो, तो
Okay,
वो
like
कैमरा से डायरेक्शन पता चल जाएगा.
yeah, that's what
वो सीवी बेस्ड कहते हैं.
third person view you want, right? Like
हाँ, वो
one
third
camera on
person.
the top, and that camera will identify where the bot is and where the final location is, and according to that you can just map where you want to go, right?
But
Yes.
again, when you go into these CV, RPI cameras, it gets costly.
I don't think so.
वो
Series.
कॉस्टली होता है. हम लोग को जो मिला था 11 का मिला था 10 फीट वाला.
Right now, it's just simpler one, not this one.
See, if you want, no, you can just make a simplest robot without
Yeah.
anything. Okay, ESP, just L2, like whatever, motor driver, simple motor driver.
This thing is there.
No, I'm just saying, no sensor, nothing. Okay, if you have a CV, just attach one camera which can see your entire room or something. Okay, and whatever feedback you will get from the camera, according to that, you can just manipulate your robot and just go to the location.
You know, we are not in the hallway. We are in a house.
I'm just saying, this was one like inside home you can try these things. That's what I'm saying.
At least in my house, it won't work.
Yeah, because house have boundaries.
Yeah.
Okay. So the issue with CV thing is the boundaries. Okay. In if you are setting one camera, we can just go to one place to
Yeah, we have to set up multiple cameras for that actually.
that we
No, no,
can
no.
do. That we can do.
That's thing doable.
Still doable.
Like if you have some security system, that things you
Yeah,
can do.
that will work. But yeah, it just depends. That's what I just want some clarity on the project. That's why I asked her to come here. I was not getting the clarity. What she want.
Shanvi,
मेरे
any
पहले दो आइडिया थे पहले कि ड्रोन के कि ड्रोन जिस डायरेक्शन में मूव किया वो एक अपना पाथ क्रिएट किया मैंने एक्स वाई जेड ये सब क्रिएट किया जा रहा था मैंने और उसी को वो फॉलो करके वापस आ रहा है और दूसरा सीवी वाला है आइडिया
yeah.
One idea I have.
Hmm.
Just take the number from these guys. We'll add one group. I'm just planning to do that. Okay.
Shanvi, anything you want to say? I wanna say.
मतलब मुझे क्या मतलब हार्डवेयर बता सकते हैं क्या क्या है written?
That's what, like, first of all, तुम बताओ तुम्हें बनाना क्या है. Okay. Like, what are the first of all, whatever you are making, we need to understand the constraint first. If you'll not understand the constraint, like as we told, like if we can just use a simple camera and a simple robot, nothing. Okay. In that also, we can just move to one location to second location by programming. Okay. But second thing is, if you want to go from one room to second room, do we have access to multiple cameras and all? These kind of setup constraint also we have. So what you want in that?
I'll just draw one more thing. Your concept I will draw here.
Yeah, maybe I can draw.
Come on, try.
This is my time. How to draw? Okay, so this is the thing. So if we have a single camera which can capture this room, okay, and I have to go from this location to this location, simple. Okay, so in CV, I will just ask the bot to maybe go here first. Okay,
Nice.
yeah. So just C will just call, okay, go here. And if you can see, okay, some object is there, you can't go beyond this. So CV will have, what do you can say, command to just change the position and just go straight like this. Okay. And if some objects CV can understand in between, okay, then it will say, okay, don't take these positions because some objects are there. Then it might say, okay, go straight, take turn, something like that, and then go to this. So this is a simple setup where we don't have a constraint of multiple rooms. Okay. Everything is visible by the camera, first of all. Second is multi-room setup. In this, we have one room, second room, third room, something like that. Okay. And a camera cannot capture all just because we have something called roof. If you will just eliminate the roof, then only you can see the speed. Else you have to add a camera here, 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 and here. Then you have a command. If I want to go from here to here, we have multiple routes. One is this, one is this, right? So I will just consider this one just because it might be the shortest one. Okay. Then maybe the door is here and the door is here. Okay. The CV will just say, okay, like not the CV, but the command, whatever command you'll just push. So it will be like, go here to here for the first camera. Second camera will be just go here to here somehow. And the third camera will go to here. Simple. Okay. So in this, we need 3 or 4 cameras just because we have multiple setup now. So according to that, this is one way. Okay. The next one, what we were discussing is single setup where I have to go from one location to second location using some sensors like the lidar. Okay, the lidar is the most common sensor, or he was mentioning about TOF sensor. This one. Okay, so in this setup,
And LiDAR is also TOF.
yeah, both are TOF, but depends
How you use it.
how you use it. Yeah, so the sensor will just tell, okay, any object is coming nearby, or what you can add is compass. So compass will just say maybe this is north east some degree, some xy degree. Okay, so in this position you have to go.
Wait. Mostly compass doesn't work indoors. Yeah.
That's true, assuming it works. Yeah, for
एक और
indoors,
तरीका है या तो उसको बताना कि एक
actually one
लर्निंग
more thing is there. If
एक और
I
तरीका
don't know,
लर्निंग रोबोट बना सकते हैं लर्निंग रोबोट वो भी एक काम कर सकते हैं लर्निंग रोबोट
learning rover, I think, the depth camp.
मैंने वो लर्न कर रहा है, उसके पास कैमरा है, उसको एक तरह से डायरेक्शन एक्स एंड वाई एक्सिस के थ्रू उसको पता चल रहा है कि वो
Yes, so
किस दिन
there
है.
are multiple things like which we can try.
Like-
Actually, one more thing I will just mention that is also
First
there.
of all, the elephant in the room. What is the budget, and what is
That is the last thing I will not consider because
डिपेंड कर रहा है बजट पे. वो
no,
तो
no,
है
first of all,
बजट
we
पे.
should understand what are the
अल्ट्रासोनिक भी यूज कर सकते हैं ना, चीपेस्ट.
see, one last thing I will tell. Okay, that is local navigation systems. Okay, that is one sensor here, one sensor here, one sensor here, one sensor here. Maybe a ESP32, simplest one. Okay, and the bot also have ESP32. Okay, and these are all connected to this setup. Okay, so if this one is near to this one, the signal strength will be more. This less and less.
I think
When this will come in here,
wait.
all equal. So that's how also we can just assume the location of the bot.
Have you seen this thing working?
Yeah,
La-
it's a bit noisy. Yeah.
The last time I have seen this, it was not like good.
It is not good. Who told it's good? I'm just
And
telling the concept how it works. Simple.
even if it works, it's mostly in large distance only.
Not that large. In the room it will
ये
work.
इतना बढ़िया से वर्क नहीं करेगा क्योंकि उसको सिग्नल चाहिए होगा बार बार.
See.
वो अपने वाईफाई रेंज पे ही वर्क करेगा, उसका खुद का वाईफाई
Every
होना होगा.
system, whatever we have mentioned, no, everyone have their own disadvantages and advantages. To
Oh,
be fair,
that thing is everywhere.
that is there. Okay, but how much we can minimize and how much we can optimize the system, that depends upon the use case. Okay, that was what I'm saying. What is the use case? How you because the first question I ask is this one, right? Like, is it the indoor system or the outdoor system? If you are going for an outdoor system, that will be the simplest, just because we want to add a simple this one, what do you call it? GPS, right? You can add a simple GPS, or you can use Google Map API. Just implement both, and then you will just get proper path where you want to go. Okay, and then just navigate your bot using some lidar and just go A to B. Simplest.
Not that simple, but okay.
Yeah, the system wise it's a bit difficult. I think someone have write something. I have.
I have a strange idea about travel for ceiling.
Okay. Real time streaming, Wi-Fi or BT. Should be able to fit through with ceiling light.
Oh, that hole.
Damn, bro. Nice. It's really weird. But okay.
Oh, Sudama.
Yeah.
Sudam, you are here.
Sudam, you can turn on your mic.
Hi. I know it sounds weird.
Hey, you can just speak, dude. I can't read this much.
And we know you. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay, yes. But did you
first
get
of all,
what I was trying to say?
First of all, just clarify the thing. Who was asking this question? Then only I will.
Yeah, it's me, Sudama only.
No. Before you.
Janvi.
Janvi,
is
okay.
there.
First of all, is it clear? Then we can just tell which hardware you want for developing these things.
मतलब मैं अभी थोड़ा सिंपल बनाना चाहूंगी पहले, उसके बाद मैं आऊंगी.
Go for CV. You are from electronics or data science, first of all?
डेटा साइंस.
Go for CV first.
Yeah.
Okay. If you need some help, just connect me. I will try to help. I don't know how much I can help, but okay. Yeah. So I will mention that maybe if you want to just build the thing, I will just mention my own video. Self promotion of me, guys. Okay. Which one is that? I think. कहाँ पे है भाई? 2 घंटे का session कहाँ था? I guess this one. No, not this one.
This one. No.
One shot, yeah, this one. So you just go through this video.
Promo Pro Max.
Yeah, this is my promo. So this video, in this you will understand how to make a simple bot. First of all, just make a simple bot. Then I will help you out in little bit of CV stuffs. Then we can just proceed with this. Okay.
लाइक मतलब कि जो मेरा रोबोट है वो ऐसे पिकअप भी करे तो
पिकअप के लिए हमारे पास दूसरा वीडियो.
See. Forgot the name.
Yeah.
One thing at a time. Okay.
Yeah. First of all, build the bot. Okay. Build the bot. If your primary goal is to go to A to B, first of all, figure out that. Then the third step will be to pick up the object.
You can always upgrade. Don't worry.
That is there. And at the first go, nothing will work. To be fair, in electronics, nothing will work. It doesn't work like that. Okay, just go for the first one, making a bot, and just move the bot from A to B, simplest. Then we'll go for something else. Okay, fine.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah.
Okay,
Now,
Sudam.
Sudham. Yeah.
Yeah,
Now,
hi.
I would like you should tell your idea because this one is recorded. I don't think so. If so, everyone can read your comment. That will
Uh-huh.
be
So yeah, did you understand anything?
great. No, nothing. I understand. Just explain me.
I didn't even
So the
read it.
idea was to like make
Yeah.
something simple, a bot that can travel in false ceiling basically.
Okay.
Needs a camera so that I can look around, and then a flashlight because it will be dark obviously. And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so it sounds weird, but the use case is like sometimes there is waterproofing issue or some other you need to pull a wire, and you need to usually what happens is they need to break down complete false ceiling. That's what people do. So like,
Uh, you want to make a system that will repair patches and all? Is it like that?
so I think for the V0, even if something with a camera and like flashlight and real time stream is a good enough V0, I think, because if we can identify where the issue is exactly, they can just open that part of the ceiling instead of breaking down the whole thing.
Sudam, there's
Uh-huh.
one thing called endoscope.
Ah, yeah.
Correct. So
That
endoscope for
just
attic basically.
No, but I think it's good. Like it's autonomous. You can just go for some other stuffs also, not only leakage and all,
Uh-huh.
but maybe some others things. I don't know right now what, but it could be beneficial for some other things.
So, but as you know, falsaric is made from gypsum. It's quite lightweight, so we can't make any heavy stuff. And it
Mm.
should ideally be probably fitting through like any light ceiling light cutting and be pretty small in terms of the size.
Maybe you can just remove one light and just put it inside and
Yeah,
just
yeah, that's what I'm
see
saying.
that. Yeah.
So it should be like be small inside so that it fits in that hole.
Mm. I think
And so
that is.
I'm a noob in electronics though, so I'm asking like, is it possible or not, like to make
I
something
can
like
show you
that?
one thing.
ये पॉसिबल तो है, लेकिन उसको फ्लेक्सिबल भी बनाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अगर ये कहीं पाइप से भी जा रहा होगा तो उसको इंटरनली मुड़ना भी पड़ेगा। कहीं टर्निंग पॉइंट जैसे 90 डिग्री टर्न होता है, तो उसको अपना एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा, व्हील को भी, व्हील के मैंने डायमीटर वगैरह हैं,
I
जैसे कि
think
मैंने देखे हैं यूट्यूब पे कुछ ऐसे वीडियो जो काफी छोटे छोटे बन जाते हैं,
I think in this
लेकिन वो
case,
कुछ साइज तक ही बन सकता है, उससे साइज से
Yeah.
ज्यादा नहीं बनेगा, वो एक
Have
लिमिट
you
है
ever
साइज
heard of
का।
soft robotics?
that thing we can use.
Soft maneuvers.
Uh-huh. What is that? Sorry, I couldn't completely understood what Raj said.
Rajshekhar.
Yeah, okay, Rajshekar said.
Okay.
तो मैं कह रहा था
Okay, I
कि
think
उसके
he's
लिए
not. Do you understand Hindi, Sudama?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Okay, then explain. Try to explain.
मैं कह रहा था कि जैसे कि वो कोई पाइप से जा रहा है और पाइप में कोई टर्न आया है, तो उसको मोड़ने के लिए तो वो भी एक कुछ ऐसे बनाना पड़ेगा कि वो टर्न
Mm-hmm.
कर सके अपने उसमें अंदर ही, तो उसको एक सॉफ्ट बॉडी पार्ट, जो फ्लेक्सिबल बॉडी पार्ट बनाने पड़ेंगे,
Mm-hmm.
एंड व्हील को फोर बेस कि वो हर पाइप से टच कर रहा होगा, हर पाइप के हर चारों ओर से टच कर रहा होगा, क्योंकि अगर एक से भी टच नहीं कर रहा होगा तो वो फिर अंदर जाना या क्लाइंबिंग करना वो भी थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा, ग्रिप नहीं बन पाएगी अच्छे से।
This is not a pipe though, right?
परंतु वो
Mostly
कहीं
in
पानी
most
को
homes,
टच
it's a pipe.
Is it?
Yeah.
मेरे पता नहीं.
Sorry, what were you saying, Vivek?
In most pipe, like in most houses, it's a pipe.
Inside a false ceiling.
Yeah.
Pipe for what you're saying? For wiring.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Actually, things are
that.
there. So for holding your whatever, I think boards or something. Okay. So they
Uh-huh.
have proper framings inside the setup.
Like a.
I think.
Yes, that I get it. Let's say just for inspection purposes.
Mhm.
Just for inspection purposes we can
Mhm.
do, but like we have to consider this also, maybe something like which can climb over the pipes. That would be interesting.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so there could be like the false ceiling frames, there could be
Yeah,
pipes,
that
and
can jump over that frames and
so
all.
we need something that can jump over or like, yeah, walk over it.
Exactly,
So
right.
what's the right form factor and like, or can we make some
Practical.
another question, maybe relevant or not relevant? is there some kind of robot that can like walk upside down on the ceiling, or like hanging kind of robots?
There's one way to do it.
Uh-huh.
Fan.
It's using vacuum,
Yeah. I had a fan
Okay.
that will just throw air. It's like a drone,
opposite drone.
opposite drone. So which will just
Oh.
throw the air down and just help him just hold the ceiling.
Like not that, but like it should create a vacuum inside it.
Both will work.
Like still
How
just
will
Yeah,
that work?
the
What,
yeah.
what,
Okay.
what components are used for that?
they mostly use some type of what do you call things, a rubbery thing below, and
Mhm.
a EDC on top.
Sorry, AC.
EDC, electric ducted fan.
Maybe you can just
Okay,
tell how you're telling
Like
the setup.
interesting.
like for example, from side view, if this is the body of your board,
Mm-hmm.
there should be a something rubbery, so it can make a seal.
Section.
Yeah, and here there should be a fan, like a ducted fan, not a simple fan. We'll just
Suck the air.
suck the air from like this and create a vacuum here. Like
Oh,
create vacuum air, it will just stick to the ceiling.
oh,
That's how it's done typically, at least.
And it's not that suction. Like the suction is a little bit less, so it can move. Otherwise, it will
Yeah.
just stuck
Uh-huh.
on that wall and this it can't move.
So
Like-
with this, we can make it walk on the walls as well, right?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Like
Are there any guides or something that you would recommend for this, or resources?
Google or YouTube, you can
like
just
there are many videos there.
What is this like? What are these robots called?
Wall crawlers.
Wall crawler. Okay, interesting.
So yeah,
Also, like in this setup, like if you wanna move, just reduce the fan speed, so there's less suction. When you are like you have to do something here, just
Mhm.
increase the suction, so it will just stick to the wall, and you can do something here. That's how they do it.
we are getting over time.
Would that be too expensive, or how is it?
Little bit.
Depends how like how you wanna
If you
make
can
it.
do jugaad or something, then go for it.
Yeah.
That kind I can prefer.
What kind of jugaad? Any idea?
Maybe use some rubber, like simple tube or something to just make the suction. And for fan, you can just consider some, maybe I don't know,
Like a
some good fans.
not fan fan. You can use a coilless motor also.
Or maybe try using some BLDC motors. That will also work.
Nah, in this
I think-
this form factor, the motors like
Form factor, see, it's now outside. The form factor doesn't matter now.
no, not that form factor. These EDFs are mostly costly, or you have to make your own. Like just try to search a bit.
Yeah, try to explore more. Like I also don't know this because I have not specifically
Or,
searched for this
Yeah,
thing.
makes sense. Nice ideas, though. Thank you.
Maybe we can just connect later and like search for these things as well. No issues.
Also,
Yeah,
for
sure.
like pipe things, we can also use soft robotics. Like
Soft robotics,
some rubbery thing here. It will just
Mhm.
like a snake. It will swell like, and it can just go like this and just take a
it
turn
can
also.
take turns properly, but it is difficult a little bit to be
Yeah.
honest.
Because it's mostly pneumatic, like
Yeah.
air based.
Air based or mechanically also it's a bit difficult. Like it is difficult to be fair.
Mm-hmm.
You just can't expect like a wheel or system, simple pulley system or something like that.
Like
Or maybe you can just make a simple pulley system also. I remember now. Just attach some strings that will just follow, the bot will follow the path, okay, and that will just capture images. And if something
again,
comes,
it's the endoscope.
yeah, it's the endoscope, but it's like autonomous endoscope, and you
Okay,
can
but
just
for like basic real-time stream, what's the minimum hardware we can like do it?
ESP32 cam simplest,
That is like reliable enough?
good enough.
Oh, okay.
It's like the only microcontroller having camera what I have ever seen, and it's cheap also. I think 500-600, I guess. Yeah?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
500 with cam, so it's fine. For the price, it's best. What I can say.
Okay.
Yeah.
But if you were to do with legs kind of robot, then how do you think it should look?
Legs.
Something that can walk.
Yeah, that's what I told, right? Mechanically, something like jump over. So you can use something leg bots or something like that. It will also work. Bipod or something like that.
Not bipod.
And then not
Okay,
like
4 legs or 2 legs?
this is also bipod. 2 legs will be best. One leg is like very unstable.
No, I was asking four. Some also have four, right? Like the dog kind of.
Quad will work, but it's mechanically complex a little bit.
So we are in which domain we are talking right now? In like fall ceiling or in the that hole?
It's now inside what I feel.
Yeah, in the
In
ceiling,
the
above the
only
ceiling.
surface only.
Surface.
Yeah, in surface there are many options.
Surface we have many options.
Or
Tubing it's difficult.
or you can do one more thing if you wanna do something
Very
crazy,
crazy.
Mm-hmm.
like have a two wheel robot, okay,
Okay.
to move, and
Okay.
like this is the front view,
Mm-hmm.
and from side it will look like something like this maybe, and
Mm-hmm.
have something like a what do you call stick or something spring loaded. It will just jump. It will just like that. It will jump.
Dude,
this
that would be so random, though, right?
I'm
I
telling you.
mean,
You know where this thing came from?
Okay,
It's
so-
from a game.
which game?
But this is a very common idea in robo wars also, so
Yeah.
that's why I know.
So,
Oh,
this is one way to jump.
but that we can't control the direction. I mean, the force of like the exact distance. Well,
No.
Yeah, just hope. Just hope.
This works on hope.
just hope. Cool.
Don't get off anything precision. Just attack. Done.
Mhm.
Yeah, these things are there.
Yeah, nice. So, what are you guys up to lately? Are you still at that like lab at ITK?
What do you think?
That just look like a lab.
This guy
Doesn't look like
what
a
he's
lab.
doing in lab.
No, I meant like not right now, but are you still in Kanpur or?
No. I'm in far east.
And I am in Nirvana right now. Thinking about like what to do in life now.
Last year I did what do you call south, west two times, north I have done already. Only the east was left. So I just
Guys, one more thing. As I have mentioned in the initial part, so I'm planning to make a group specific. So whoever have asked the question, I will request you guys to just I think you guys have my number, so you can just text me or anyway, Yantra email ID is also there. Add your number there. I am planning to make one group specifically so we can discuss more on these things because I am also not getting time to just work on these projects, but these are very interesting projects to be fair, and I want to do justice for these projects. So for that reason, I'm trying
मुझे
to make.
अभी प्लाइकन का नाम याद आ गया।
हाँ,
ये मैंने भेज दिया है। ये ये अलग जगह पे इतना अलग अलग प्राइस चल रहा है इनका इस
yeah.
प्लाइकन का। ये
What is the
HGL
F-
RC.
yeah,
HGL
I have seen it. What is the cost
ये
you bought it for?
ये मुझे डीआर के स्टोर पे सबसे ज्यादा सस्ता मिला है। रोबो पे से ज्यादा महंगा पड़ रहा है
रोबो
ये
भाई
सेम।
रोबो पे नहीं, ये सब रोबो पे मत लो वहाँ महंगा ही
मैं डीआर
मिलेगा।
के स्टोर से लिया, वो भी एक अकेला था जब हम दोनों बुक कर लेते पहले जब
कितना
चेंज
पड़ा?
कर रहे थे।
What is the price?
4200 रोबो पे 7000 का है, डीआर के स्टोर पे 4200 का था।
Just the flag controller or stack?
फ्लाइट कंट्रोलर खाली।
That's okay, I think.
लेकिन रोबो पे यही सेम फ्लाइट कंट्रोलर 7000 का है।
I think that's a stack mostly. Did you check?
स्टैक नहीं है वो स्टैक नहीं, मैंने चेक किया है,
Then
मेरे
that's
पर चेक किया है।
then they are ripping off.
उसमें एक हुआ कि उसमें ब्लूटूथ है एंड हीट सिंक है ऊपर से। मैं ये कुछ
Also, one more thing, I don't really recommend F7 flag controller nowadays. Like F722 specifically. Like some other F7 are okay, not 22. It's a bit outdated nowadays, so you might find it cheaper. That thing is there.
अभी तो मैंने F743 करके आया होगा।
Yes, some number is there. I don't remember the specific number, but yeah. Anything higher than what do you call this thing? 22. If you want to go for F7, go for some other than 22. That's my recommendation. Because the F722 is like kind of in the end of life cycle.
So yeah, I have shared the link as well here. So who have, I will just say okay, who have just asked the question, and they are trying to make the thing. They only just join the group. Anyway, I will not let them and any other people join the group. To be fair, okay. So yeah,
By the way, can I know what are your names?
Name?
Just go in WhatsApp and join. Then you get our
I have texted
uh,
two people. One is Omi, and one more thing is
That's Okami, not Omi, bro.
I'm not sure, like this guy only or someone else.
Okami.
Okami. Okay, I don't know.
Yeah, that's
That-
me. You are truly.
So his actual name is Vivek, okay, but everyone knows Okami only, so that's his part. And for my name is Akhilesh. So yeah, I think you have messaged me, I guess also.
Yeah, I have messaged you also.
That's why I want to make a specific group so that you guys can text me and I can respond, because I have a lot of DMs, a lot of groups. I can't just focus on all. That's why I want, like, okay, you guys are working. I want to help you guys. That's why I just made this group. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Wait, I have to restrict. How to restrict?
Nice.
Sudam is there. Okay. How to restrict?
Yantra second.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Invite from
Approval new. Okay, done. Now better. Okay, who have joined? कपिल ने कुछ पूछा था?
Leave it.
Okay. Yeah, so
Early bird discount. Don't worry.
early bird discount.
Okay.
अभी
Any
मेरा
other?
ड्रोन तो पूरा रेडी है, वो बस रहता है अभी, आता है जाता है, आता है जाता है.
What?
अरे वो ड्रोन का बोल रहा है, इसको दोस्त लाता है, फिर ले
अच्छा.
जाता है, फिर लाता है, फिर लाता है.
I have one more question for you. What video system you're using?
हाँ,
What video system are you guys using?
हमारा में अभी एंगलॉग है, वो थोड़ा मतलब बजट में एंगलॉग ले लिया था.
ठीक है. That's okay.
रिलेटेबल लग रहा होगा तेरे को.
क्योंकि डिजिटल कुछ ज़्यादा महंगा पड़ जाता है.
Yeah, that thing is expensive. That thing is crazy expensive.
Okay, I think too
वो
much of
उसकी
technical discussion.
वो उसकी वीडियो क्वालिटी भी बढ़िया होती है ना, जो 4K में विदाउट एनी स्कैटर, जो अलग से एक लाइन जो व्यूज दिखाता है वो उसके बिना दिखाता है ना, वो डिजिटल वाला एक्चुअली में ऐसा हुआ है.
I have flown DJI. Don't worry.
We have stickers as
मैंने अपने स्कूल में उड़ाया है.
DJI.
हाँ.
ना goggles on.
गूगल वाला नहीं, मैंने नहीं उड़ाया है, मैंने अभी गूगल वाला एनलॉग लिया हुआ है.
You mostly
मेरे
have
दोस्त के
that
पास है.
big boxy goggles.
तो वो मैं समझ गया वो कैसे दिखता है. मेरे दोस्त के पास है वो, मेरे दोस्त के पास अभी रखा हुआ है ना वो.
Okay, nice.
I think now it's time actually.
Yeah, enjoy your project.
Yeah,
enjoy
actually,
your plan.
if you have some other doubt apart from the technical stuff, you can ask. Or now we can just.
अखिलेश भैया IoT का कुछ करा दो यार,
क्या?
कुछ स्टार्ट तो करो, कोशिश तो करो.
भाई अभी कुछ अलग कलेश चल रहा है. Who is dark gamer?
वो मैं हूँ, वो मेरा मेन रहता है.
Oh yeah, DRK. I have seen your video.
And who is just a single dot?
Myself is single.
Okay.
वो मैं मतलब नॉर्मल माइनक्राफ्ट का वीडियो बनाता था, अभी छूट गया मेरा. वीडियो बनाने का प्लान होता है लेकिन हाथ से छूट जाता है फिर भी.
I have seen your video. Your drone testing video I have seen.
See, this guy is a proper stalker.
No, he showed before.
Yeah,
I remember his name.
Nice. I don't remember much of the
ऐसे वो
names.
इंस्टाग्राम में या फेसबुक पे जो कुछ ऐसे ड्रोन टेस्टिंग का जो आया होगा.
नहीं, you share in the Yantra group.
हाँ, ई एंटर पे भी मैं भेजा था, मैं भेजता कई बार.
Yeah, in Yantra our group you have sent before. I remember the name.
मैं ज्यादातर बजट की ओर रहता हूँ कि देखिए मैं जब देखता हूँ कि डीआर के 100 रुपये महंगा है, रोबो पे सस्ता है तो रोबो से ले लेता हूँ.
Yeah, bro.
वो भी ठीक ठाक ही है. मैं
That's how this works, dude.
As bro, don't worry. You are not alone.
We are with you. Okay, anything else?
Soldering iron clean कैसे रखूं? Nice question, bro.
Detergent.
No.
This is how a senior misguide juniors.
I doubt it on your degree level.
Yeah. So
use what do you call
अरे
that?
वो यूज
आई
करो.
थिंक वो कॉपर्स के आते हैं ना कुछ.
अरे कॉपर छोड़ो, वो आता है ना
Button
डिश क्लीनर.
स्टील वुल्स आते हैं ना, स्टील वुल.
स्टील वाला
स्टील
डिश
वुल
क्लीनर
आता
जो आता है ना, वो यूज करो, प्रॉपर क्लीन आता है, एकदम दिक्कत नहीं है कुछ.
है, स्टील
Uh,
वुल्स.
yeah, and if you have a machining shop nearby, you can ask them to give you some brass scraps like those,
That will also work, yeah.
because like I recommend brass more than this iron thing because it's get rusted.
आयरन तो रस्ट मार देगा इसको कोटिंग
Yeah,
yeah.
दोगे तो.
kitni baar bhai? 10 rupees, 10 days in a row. It's how much?
It's like EMI option.
That's not even EMI. That's rent. That's rent.
Okay, yeah.
So yeah, just use
Who is Stark INC? Nice name.
Stark Inc. Incorporation
It was industry, dude.
industry. I don't know.
Stark Industries. Yeah.
कोई चैट पे पूछ रहा है,
Tony Stark was able to make this in a cave.
Batman party.
कोई चैट पे पूछ रहा है.
Yeah.
हाँ, reply दे दिया भाई.
Reply दे दिया.
अच्छा,
Use
ब्रास
iron wool or not iron wool. What do you call this thing?
स्टील वुल.
That's
Wool.
not wool. There's some
Cleaning, like whatever scrub, cleaning scrub, having metal.
yeah.
Done.
Any metal that thing will work.
Yeah. Anything else? Yes. Nice.
Any other random ass questions you guys have? We are here.
We will not judge. Don't worry. You guys can judge us. That's fair.
We are the hosts.
We are the host.
You are the audience.
That's why we are only the person who have or turn on the cameras. You guys are just looking us. I think we can just stop sharing. It's too much of things. Yeah. No. Oh, okay. No need to do that. Yeah, it's fine. So yeah, anything else? It just seems like you guys don't have any personal life. You're just doing some technical stuff day and night. That's fine.
ये आपने ड्रोन बनाया हुआ है.
No, crazy flies.
This is crazy fly.
वो ESP 32 HD वाला होगा ना.
No. This thing has a STM32 F405. You know that's PDB one. The same microcontroller.
अच्छा,
Do you know what is the price of this thing? Any idea? Any guess? Just
4K.
मुझे पहले इसके प्रॉपर देखने पड़ेंगे. मोटर तो थोड़े अच्छे खासे
देखना
होते
एकदम
हैं,
अच्छा।
मोटर के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. बैटरी
4-5 हज़ार.
700 की और 700 की रेंज की पर होगा. तो पीसीबी तो मतलब कि डिजाइन करने में अगर पीसीबी का तो मैंने देखा उसका प्राइस 1000 से ऊपर चला जाता है रोबो में.
Bro, this is the simplest thing. Okay, there's nothing fancy.
You know the actual cost is
वो 1000 2000
Apart
के बीच
from
में
X.
होगी मोस्ट प्रोबब्ली.
like one thing is making cost. One thing is product cost. What do you guys think is the product cost, not the parts cost?
मेरे ख्याल से 1000 2000 के बीच में होना चाहिए ये. मतलब तो 3000 तक जा सकता है, क्योंकि कुछ कई बार ये ऐसे मैंने देखा है बिके हुए 3000 में बिकते हैं ऐसे.
3,000.
3 से 4.
Okay, 3 से 4. Anyone else wanna?
बोली लगा रहे हो क्या?
लगाओ guys. Bid.
लेकिन ये सस्ता होगा मेरे ख्याल से. तो
बहुत सस्ता है भाई, बहुत सस्ता.
20 क्यों बोल रहा है?
गूगल करके आया. Alexa, stop.
कमरे में 3 लोग हैं.
Yes.
एक रोबोट भी हमारे साथ रहता है, पता नहीं.
आपने iMac मैक्सिमाइजेशन देखा है? मैक्सिमाइजेशन चैनल.
एक मिनट, ये एलेक्सा जो पोता कुछ काम.
Alexa, stop.
ठीक है, आप बोल.
हाँ.
आपने मैक्सिमाइजेशन देखा? मैक्सिमाइजेशन चैनल है यूट्यूब पे. मैक्सिमाइजेशन चैनल है. ये बनाता है एक्चुअली में ESP 32 HD का बनाता है.
I
इसने
think
ड्रोन भी बना लिया है A52S3 का यूज करके या आर्डिनो उनो माइक्रो प्रो कुछ करके यूज किया है। 2 ड्रोन बनाए हुए उसने। अभी तक मैंने देखे हैं 2 ड्रोन के वीडियो।
देखा है, शायद देखा है, अगर मुझे नाम याद नहीं है, पर आई थिंक वही है जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ। इंडियन है? मेरी आवाज गई क्या?
नहीं आ रही है।
इंडियन है या बाहर का है? या इंडियन है, बाहर
वो
रहता है?
बाहर का होगा। मैं चैनल निकाल के देता हूँ आपको, आपको पता चल जाएगा वो फिर जाएगा फिर।
नाम दिख जाएगा मुझे।
अच्छा मुझे बस एक चीज जानना है, कौन कौन से बैच से है? 23 वाले कौन कौन से?
क्या?
Y23 कौन से है? लाइक बैच।
खुद की जनता ढूंढ रहे हो।
नहीं मिलेगी।
23, 24 है कोई है?
मैं द्वारका में रहता हूँ।
ये क्या था भाई?
भाई वो बैच पूछ रहा है कौन से बैच से 2024 का।
बैच बहुत बार का
मैं 24 के हूँ, मैं 24 वाला हूँ।
24।
दिल्ली वाला
मैं
कौन है?
ज्यादातर स्किप करता हूँ क्योंकि मैं मेन कॉलेज जो सीएससी यूज कर रहा हूँ मैं, जिसमें एमएसआईटी पे हूँ, वो थोड़ा ट्रिक है। इसमें जो स्किप का ऑप्शन मिल जाता है मैं स्किप मार लेता हूँ।
गुड।
अरे मेरा क्वेश्चन है, कौन कौन कहाँ से है?
नहीं मुझे पहले बैचेस जानने दे, पहले रुक जा।
नहीं मिलेगा भाई।
24 वाले कौन कौन से? 24 जो भी है
एक पास में बैठ।
है।
मैं हूँ।
2 है, ठीक है, एक तीसरा ये भी है। 25 वाले कौन है? 1 2, काफी वो है भाई एकदम।
ठीक है ना?
इक्विलिब्रियम पे चल रहा है।
देख मेरा कौन सा है।
ये चैनल देखा आपने? मैं जो
मैक्स।
भेजा है।
आई थिंक मैंने देखा
हाँ
ये।
इसका वो देखा है हमने, मैंने
वो
बॉल देखा है, बॉल।
मैंने सबमरीन देखा इसका, ये भी देखा है ये
इसने ड्रोन भी बनाया है इस बंदे ने। 2 ड्रोन है, एक आर्डिनो से बनाया है माइक्रो वाला, और उसमें ईएससी जो है ना उसने खुद बनाया है। ईएससी
वो
यूनिडायरेक्शनल।
अच्छा, सर्कल खुद बनाया है।
हाँ ईएससी।
सही है। घर वाले आ गए क्या? चलो सही चल रहा है, बढ़िया चल रहा है सबका। बनाना तो मुझे भी है सर्किटरी, पता नहीं कब बनाऊंगा।
इसने अभी ESP32S3 को अपग्रेड कर दिया कि इसको ये अब बिटवाइज सॉफ्टवेयर रन करता है।
क्या क्या क्या?
इसने ESP32S3 को बिटवाइज कॉन्फ़िगर करके तो सॉफ्टवेयर रन करवा रहा है अब उस पे।
हाँ वो मैंने देखा है, वो काफी टाइम पहले हो चुका है वो। अब उसका मुझे वो नहीं पता फर्स्ट कौन जिसने सबसे पहले किया था, वो एक क्वेश्चन मार्क है। बहुत लोग यूज कर रहे हैं उसको आजकल।
वैसे भी ओपन सोर्स है गैस ना, तो
या बीटा फाइट ओपन सोर्स, आईना ओपन सोर्स, आउटसाइड
कंट्रीब्यूट करके खुद डाल दो भाई, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
वही है।
आई थिंक निकलना पड़ेगा भाई, थोड़ा काम है।
ओके गाइस,
नाइस टू मीट यू गाइस, इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस कनेक्टिंग विद यू गाइस।
नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल सी यू, आई विल बी इन दिल्ली।
फॉर्मेलिटीज करना पड़ता है थोड़ा।
मैं दिल्ली भी रहता हूँ अभी भी।
ओके, मैं भी देखता हूँ क्या पता आ जाओ दिल्ली।
मैं द्वारका सेक्टर 9 पे रहता हूँ नॉर्मली।
द्वारका मैथ लगा।
ये तिलक नगर में मैं घर में रहता हूँ अपने।
मैं घर पे रहता हूँ।
मैं जंगल में रह रहा हूँ भाई।
नहीं मैं जंगलों में रहता हूँ एक्चुअली, बट ठीक है।
ठीक
और
है।
मेरा कॉलेज जो है ना MSIT, वो जनकपुरी पे है मेट्रो।
Nice. अच्छा
सही है।
सही है सही है।
महाराजा सूरजमल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी सुना आपने?
महाराजा
आईपीयू में महाराजा सूरजमल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी।
सुना, बस नाम ही सुना, पर आगे नहीं, नाम से आगे नहीं जाना।
चलो सही है, रैप अप करना पड़ेगा भाई।
Okay guys, now we have some
Thank you guys, we have
household things to
we
do.
have some other works.
Bye.
Anyway,
Thank you.
yeah,
पापा ने बुला लिया।
Bye.
ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया ना आई गेस। या
8
6:30
बज चुका है। आधे
एक्चुअली
घंटे पूरा लेके बैठ
5
गए।
बजे मीटिंग कर रहे हैं, 5 से 8 बज चुके हैं। सो
5:30
5:30 हाँ।
इस बार तो रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक कर दिया।
नहीं वो रिकॉर्डिंग कम ही हुआ है, सो डोंट वरी। रिकॉर्डिंग 6
नहीं,
बजे से
नहीं,
की,
वहाँ से तो मैं
6:15 से किया हमने रिकॉर्डिंग, सो इट्स फाइन। So yeah, nice. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining.
Bye.
Good ideas, great ideas. We'll
Bye.
work on that. We'll try to work on that. Yeah. So thank you guys. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.
Bye.